The Appellate Division has stayed the High Court's verdict declaring Joy Bangla as the national slogan. The Appellate Division issued the order on Tuesday. Earlier, the state party filed a petition seeking a stay on the High Court's ruling declaring Joy Bangla as the national slogan. Additional Attorney General Barrister Anik R. Haq announced this information on December 2. In 2017, Supreme Court lawyer Dr. Bashir Ahmed filed a writ petition seeking the declaration of Joy Bangla as the national slogan. The High Court issued a rule on the hearing of the writ petition on December 4, 2017. The High Court wanted to know why Joy Bangla would not be declared as the national slogan in the rule. On March 10, 2020, a High Court bench comprising Justice F.R.M. Nazmul Ahsan and Justice K.M. Kamrul Kader declared Joy Bangla as the national slogan. Later on February 20, 2022, Sheikh Hasina's cabinet approved the decision to recognize Joy Bangla as the national slogan.